guys, it's Paul Blosser. This is the second video that I'm going to do. A song that I wrote a while ago called Southbound Train. And I was gonna park my truck out in the field and make a really nice country video, but it's like 250 degrees out there, so I'm inside with the AC going and just having some fun. So if you like these songs, feel free to subscribe, leave comments, do whatever you want to do. I'd appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy this one. It's called Southbound Train.